Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today will be a DIY hair care video to promote hair growth, and I'll be trying the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. For those of you who don't know about this clay, it promotes curl definition, it helps draw out toxins in hair and skin, and also cleanses your hair without stripping. It promotes hair growth and also strengthen your hair and promotes shine and prevents other scalp infections like dandruff and flakiness. So guys, this is one of my best treatments, and as you all can see, let's get right into this video so you would not miss out. Please kindly watch to the end and let's get started. So guys, to prepare this hair mask, you will need the main ingredients, which is the Indian healing clay, because that is the main ingredients we'll be using for this mask. So you will need the Indian healing clay. You will need your apple cider vinegar with the mother, but you can use any apple cider vinegar you've got. So the next ingredient will be olive oil. I'm just adding some oils to it in order to prevent dryness. So I'll be going in with olive oil and also some sweet almond oil. So these are the two oils I'll be using to add into the mask. So to prepare this mask, you will also need a bowl and a wooden spoon to mix. So once your bowl is set, you then add in the clay powder to the bowl. You can add in as much as you think it will be enough for your hair. So my hair is quite thick and medium of length, so if you have more shorter hair, then you can go with less powder, but if your hair is pretty long, then you can add in more powder. So there's not exact measurement for it. So after adding that, then you add in your apple cider vinegar. You can also dilute this with some water. If you don't have enough apple cider vinegar, you add in some water to that mixture. So you add in bit by bit and you keep mixing together to form the right consistency. It shouldn't be too runny nor too thick. So while you keep adding, just keep stirring to make sure everything comes together and without any lumps. So make sure it's a smooth paste, and when you're done mixing, you then add in your oil. So I add in approximately 1 tablespoon of the sweet almond oil, and now I'm going in with the same measurement for the olive oil. So once you're done adding all that, you then mix together to form the right consistency. So let's get right into the application method. To apply this on your hair, you need to make sure your hair is semi-dry, like not too dry, and it should be on clean hair. So my hair, I just washed my hair a while ago, and now I'm just applying that to my hair. So my hair is not too dry and it's not too wet, because you don't want everything stripping off your body. So when applying this, you need to concentrate on your scalp, on your edges, and to every strand of your hair. And you also give your hair that finger detangling. And also avoid your eyes. Try to avoid this touching your eyes. It might be dangerous. So when applying, try to cover your eyes as much as you can. And this, trust me, when you're applying onto your hair, you will feel some kind of cooling sensation, but do not worry, it's working for you. As you can see, look at that coil popping out. Like, look at the curl definition I was talking about. It gives your hair, it really gives your hair that curl definition, and it gives your hair that strength. So make sure you apply on every section onto your hair, and concentrate on the tips of your hair, because that's the oldest part of your hair. So once you're done in one section, you can twist that section and go to the next section. Apply all over your hair, and make sure you apply nicely and avoid your eyes. Make sure you apply it all over your scalp. You massage nicely, walk it through with your hands, and make sure everything gets to your strands, just the way I'm doing in the video. This treatment is really good, guys. It removes all the toxins from your hair. It's just like when you take some body cleanser or some vitamins to your body. So this is like your own hair vitamins. It really strips off all those toxins from your hair. It cleans your scalp deeply and give your hair that shine. So it's really good. Like once a month you can always do this hair detox of the clay mask. It really helps, and it will give your hair that strength and also prevents breakage. This is all you need, guys. It is so simple, affordable, and you don't need so many items to do this. And the oils I added to it is just to prevent the clay mask from drying off, like drying completely. As you all can see, I love the way it turned out to be. Like, I love it so much. This is the second time I'm doing this. The first time I did this was a year ago, and now I'm trying it again, and it's just so lovely. Like, my hair doesn't feel that dry. My goodness, I will advise you try this. Trust me, try this and you will testify. You will testify. It's not just kind of I'm just blabbing here. No, it really works. So once you're done, you need to cover your hair with a plastic bag or a shower cap and let it sit for 10 minutes, and you wash it off with lukewarm water. So as you can see, look at that shine. It gives your hair that shine. It makes your curls popping out. Like, though I have a lot of shrinkage, but that's okay. But I love how the result turned out to be. I'm so excited. I'll be trying this out like once in 6 months or once every month if I have the time. I really love this, and I would recommend this for you guys. Please try this out and do let us know how your result turned out to be. We've come to the end of this video. If you see my face for the very first time, please do subscribe to my channel, because you'll be seeing lovely videos like this, DIYs on the right products to use on your hair. Thank you all so much for watching, and do let us know in the comment section how you found this video. Thank you so much, and see you all again in my next video. Bye.